Start na po ng ating third quarter. For this second half, wala na po. Mandatory sa kanya-kanya strategy na po. Ball possession ng G Forest Rangers. Bola na kay Bahen. Bahen. Tumadin niya. Balik kay Bahen. From downtown. Miss. Put back. Bangilagan. 2 points. Para kay Bangilagan. Wait lang, sabi nila. Lamang ng 5 dito ang Rangers. A chance para bawasan ng lamang. Laki Aurelia. To Alegria. From downtown. Hindi pa kaso. Rebound by Bahen. Fast break. Led by Padilla. Padilla. Transition 3. 3 points for Padilla. Score natin 32-4. Setting the play. Pass to Aurelia. Aurelia, jumper. Didn't convert. Rebound by Ilagan. Bahen to Padilla. Padilla to Ilagan. Drives to the paint. Hindi na kayo. Loose ball. Turnover para sa Rangers.
Ina!
Ang leading the attack para sa Aces. Stops and pass. Hindi pa pasok. Hindi pa. Wala pang field. Hindi pa nakaka-field goal. Kaya? Bahen. Right now. Dependent by Bora. Wala mapupunta sa blue. Saan ba kayo sir? Sa gitna. Hindi ko masang rebound. Bakit sa rebound? Foul number 5. First free throw by Aurelia. Didn't get the lucky bounce. Hindi na awat. Second free throw. Short. Pero siya pa rin na nakakulo. Foul number 13. First free throw is good. Bola nasa Rangers, Padilla from downtown. Didn't convert. Alegria, pass up. Lays it up and converts. 2 points for me. Bahen to Ilagan. Ilagan spots. Wow, it's Ilagan. 2 free throws. Foul. Number 7 is second personal foul. And first team foul. First free throw. Second free throw. Rebound by Lali. Lali for the jumper. Hindi pa ako. Fakes. And converts. Nice fake. By Cruz. Alegria. To Aurelia. Pass to Borja. Aurelia. Aurelia drives. Na-block siya doon. Hihilangan. Bola mapunta kay Padilla. Pass to Bayan. Bayan, dinibigay. Pass to Hilangan. Offensive foul. Setting the play para sa G-Safe Aces. Humingi ng screen kay to Aurelia. Aurelia sa gitna. Jumper and basket count. Bahen, setting the play para sa Rangers. Padilla. Screen by Cruz. Pumunta ka sa kaliwa. Pinasa gitna kay Ilangan. Hindi pumasok yung field goal at rebound by Borja. Borja to from downtown, hindi pumasok. Rebound by Alegria. Binigay kay Borja. Hindi pumasok at na-rebound din namin. Bahen. Binigay offense para sa Rangers. Bahen. 30 seconds to shoot. Ilagay ng bola. Binigay kay Padilla. 10 seconds to shoot. Padilla. Floater. Hindi pumasok. Pakuha ng offensive rebound. Just a konting lang siya. Ilagan. Padilla. Padilla. For two, hindi pumasok. Rebound by Binigay na offense. Foul number 17. Second personal foul and fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Ang ating G2 Rangers. Score natin 35-29 with 5 minutes and 20 seconds to play sa third quarter. Lakas pa rin ng Rangers. Aurelia, step back jumper. Didn't convert short. Rebound by Ilagan. Pass to Padilla. Padilla, back to Ilagan. De La Cruz. Ilagan. Ilagan pa rin ang bola. Jumper sa gitna. And converts. 2 points for number 6. Bola ng G-Shape. Guarded by De La Cruz. Enrique Rodriguez. Rodriguez from downtown. Medyo malakas. Rebound pa sa pangkul. Enrique kay Padilla. Padilla. Plays it up and converts. Aurelia. Rebound by Tama. G-Safe Aces. First free, hindi buwasan. Second free throw is good. 1 of 2. For us. Nakambana. Ito Ilagan. San Pablo. Binalik kay Ilana ng matake sa gitna. Lazy up for 2. Good ball movement by the Rangers. Rodriguez, Tumora, matake sa kaliwa. Nang hinayang sa loob. Ganda nga na outside. Foul number 34. 34. First free throw is good. Second free throw shot. Ball stays. Monte Rodriguez. Bounce pa story niya. Fakes. Nice tinatid doon. Inakambakan. Nakambakan. To San Pablo. San Pablo. Hindi yung offense. Nakapigan din siya doon. Yeah. Rodriguez to up. Guard by De La Cruz. Raise it up. And converts with 2 points. San Pablo. Leading the break. Pinakasagit na kay Ilana. Nagkakambingan. Ibang sa in, Ilana na. Foul number 4. Second personal foul. Nakambangan. Ito Pantalion. Pantalion, hindi po makasagit na rin ako. San Pablo, nagkatag ulit. Hindi ko pasok. Ito ang leading the break para sa Aces. Lays it up and converts. 2 points for number 10. Nakambahan. Guard by Ang. So De La Cruz, 15-second shot clock. De La Cruz, screen by Mabiosa. Stolen by Espino. Espino leading the break. Stops and pops. Continue. Nakambakan. De La Cruz. De La Cruz setting the play para sa G4S Rangers. 12 seconds to shoot. San Pablo. Guarded by Cornelia. Stop to De La Cruz. Outside pass to number 9. Pantalion. Pass break led by Bora. To Espino. Lays it up for 3. Score natin, 41-37. Lamang pa rin ang G4S Rangers ng 4 over the Aces. Under 2 minutes to play sa ating third quarter. Back to the ball game. Napakaganda po ng laro natin. Impact lang yung mic. Hello. Yeah. Ball possession nasa G4S. De La Cruz to Padilla. Padilla guarded by Ang. Back to De La Cruz. Pass to San Pablo. San Pablo, floater, converts to 2 points. 2 points para kay San Pablo. Setting the play para sa GC. Pass to Rodriguez. Rodriguez from downtown. Short. Rebound. Pang-uwi ni Padilla. Padilla. Binigay attack para sa Rangers. Tulak ang barang. Binigay pa kay De La Cruz. Hindi mo pasok. Wala na kay Ab. Guarded by De La Cruz. Kaya yung gaining the screen. 15 seconds. Guarded by Padilla. Spots and converts. 2 points for number 10. Under a minute to play. bakbakan. Guarded by Alegria. Pass to Ibagiosa. To San Pablo. Guarded by Alegria. Drop pass to De La Cruz. 100 di pumasok. Padilla. Padilla. Yes, hindi pumasok. Pero pumasok sa linya. 27 seconds remaining for third quarter. 43-39, apat pa rin. Setting up the play. 2 seconds differential. Shot clock and game clock. Higilis ko rin. Kay Bermudo, matakas sa kaliwa. Hulong foul. Foul number 18. Ibagiosa. Second personal foul. And penalty na rin po. First free throw is yours.
Box pala, box.
Second free throw. Hindi pumasok. Rebound pa rin. Basket count, sabi naman ating referee. That's the end of our third quarter. 1.8 lang to. 43-42 in favor of Rangers. Both teams, tig-dalawang timeout na lang po for fourth quarter.